Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI and text summarization, focusing specifically on Copy.ai. It's an advancement in content creation, like having a digital wordsmith at your service. We live a fast-paced world where time is precious. Text summarization condenses volumes of text into manageable, understandable pieces. It's all about efficiency. Among various AI tools, we're spotlighting Copy.ai. It's redefining the AI content scene. We're going to see how. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's move on to the step-by-step process. The first thing you need to do is create a Copy.ai account. Start by heading over to the Copy.ai website. Spot the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner. Clicking this button guides you to a sign-up page. Here, you're required to fill out basic information: name, email, and a password. Once you're done, you have to verify your email. You'll get a confirmation email from Copy.ai. Check your inbox and click the verification link. Voila, your account is now verified. This process will create your Copy.ai account. Your login details are critical. Ensure you keep them secure. Once your account is set up, you're ready to begin using Copy.ai's text summarization feature. Next, we navigate to the text summarization feature on the platform. Once logged into your account, you're on the dashboard, the hub of Copy.ai. Here, you'll see multiple tools to simplify your content creation. Focus on the left side of your screen, where you'll find a list of features. Look for Summarize among these options. Click it, and a new page opens. This page is user-friendly. It's clean, easy to use, with a no-fuss layout for smooth text summarization. The designers at Copy.ai have done a fabulous job ensuring everything's within reach, without overwhelming you. Now that we're on the right page, it's time to input our text. It's time to put our text into the system and watch the magic happen. Begin on the text summarization page, where you'll find a text box to paste your content, whether it's an article, report, or novel. After inserting your text, initiate the summarization process by clicking Summarize. At this point, the AI leaps into action, using advanced natural language processing techniques to analyze your text. It identifies key points, condenses information into a summary, preserving the text's essence. The time it takes can vary based on the text's complexity. Finally, the AI presents a summary in fewer words. And just like that, you have a concise, informative summary. But wait, there's more. Now, let's fine-tune our summary to perfection. Copy.ai gives you complete control to customize your summary. Want it shorter? Trim the excess. Need more detail? Expand on the points. This is where you add your touch. The system is user-friendly, making these changes easy. You can tweak the tone, adjust the length, or add personal insights. The platform offers the flexibility you need. The aim is not just to get a summary, but to create one that meets your needs. Don't hesitate to tweak, adjust, and perfect. This is your opportunity to ensure the summary mirrors the original text, but in a succinct, digestible format. With a few adjustments, your summary is ready for use. So there we have it, a summarized text thanks to Copy.ai. We've breezed through account creation, navigation, and use of the text summarization feature. Copy.ai shines in its simplicity and efficiency, allowing us to distill thoughts into bite-sized summaries. It's for everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. Seasoned professional students can leverage this tool, no matter their background or expertise. It can streamline content creation or help digest a pile of reading material. It's about working smarter, not harder.